This is part 2. Now we look only at the physical evidence. The first 2 bodies were found under a cedar tree, both partially undressed. Small burns were found on their hands. Branches above them were broken up to 5 meters high, indicating someone climbed the tree. 3 more bodies were found between the tree and the tent, face down, positioned as if they were trying to return. Cause of death for these 5? Officially, hypothermia. But the final 4, discovered months later in a ravine under deep snow, showed something different. Severe internal trauma. One male victim had crushed ribs so powerful that forensic experts compared it to the force of a car collision. Another had a depressed skull fracture, yet there were almost no corresponding external wounds. No deep cuts, no defensive injuries, no signs of a fight. Ludmila Dubinina had multiple rib fractures and was missing her tongue. Soft tissue around her mouth and eyes was absent. Forensic reports later suggested this may have occurred post-mortem due to decomposition in flowing water beneath the snow. Traces of radiation were detected on some clothing. The levels were not high enough to be lethal, but the finding added to the mystery. No evidence of alcohol. No evidence of another group attacking them. No bullet wounds. No knife wounds. No confirmed external assault. The official 1959 conclusion? Death caused by a compelling natural force. In 2019, a renewed investigation concluded a rare slab avalanche likely triggered panic and blunt trauma from snow pressure in the ravine. However, debate continues among independent researchers regarding specific injury patterns and environmental conditions. What remains undeniable is this: 9 trained hikers. No signs of struggle inside the tent. Internal injuries without typical external trauma, and a decision to leave shelter into certain death. But in part 3, we examine the avalanche theory step by step. What supports it, what contradicts it, and whether it truly explains everything. If you want to see that breakdown, like this video, share it, and subscribe, because part 3 is where we test the official explanation against the evidence.